is for cat, who purrs and plays. C is for cake, a treat that stays. D is for dog, who barks and runs. D is for duck, splashing in ponds for fun.
E is for elephant, big, gray, and grand. E is for egg, cracking with your hand.
F is for fish, swim fast, oh my. F is for frog, jumping way up high. G is for goat, who eats and bleats. G is for grapes, a juicy treat.
H is for hat, on your head so tall. H is for horse, galloping by the stall.
I is for ice, cold and clear. I is for inchworm, inching so near.
J is for juice, sip it with a smile. J is for jet, singing mile by mile. K is for kite, flying high in the air.
K is for koala, snuggling without a care. L is for lion, roaring so loud. L is for leaf, dancing around the crowd. M is for monkey, swing on trees. N is for milk, like cool with bees. N is for nest, where little birds rest. N is for nut, squirrels love it best.
O is for owl, who says hoo hoo. O is for orange, so juicy and new.
P is for pig, rolling in mud. P is for peach, soft and sweet as a hug. Q is for queen, royal and proud. Q is for quilt, warm as a cloud. R is for rabbit, hop hop hopping fast. R is for rain, pitter patter at last.
S is for sun, shining bright all day. S is for star, twinkling far away. T is for tiger,
Fierce and grand. T is for tree, rooted in the land. U is for umbrella, up in the rain. U is for unicorn, magical and plain. V
is for violet, singing a song.
V is for vase, with flowers all along. D is for whale, splashing with glee. W is for wind, blowing free as can be.
X is for xylophone, ringing with cheer. X is for X-ray, see through and clear.
Y is for yarn, going here and there. Y is for yogurt, smooth as a pear. Z is for zebra with stripes of black and white. Z is for zoo, a place that's just right.